What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review 2018 movie Sketch. In the action movies, the main role of the heroine is to create romantic scenes and environments and the placement of the song. That is always a challenging, and especially if you are adding comedy scenes in it, you have to place it very wisely so that the grip on the song or the script will not create lack of attention between the viewers. Felt that way, but overall the movie is very good. So Jiva, named as Sketch, his uncle or was running a working for Situ, who has a garage, and in that garage there are some vehicles that comes also, who have the people, those who not pay EMI. So Durai bring all those vehicles there, but unfortunately once he get into an accident with the guy who was very violent, and he lost his hand. So now Situ has to decide who could be replaced. So Sketch is a better replacement, since Situ owns the garage, and this garage belongs to him. Durai was his right hand. So he has to pick from his own group, but instead he just picked Durai's nephew Sketch. This annoys the another guy, Ravi, and he says that I have been working for Situ for quite long, and why he is not having that trust on me than this uneducated, newly appointed person. So Sketch has a mom, dad, and brother, and 3 friends at the garage, and he is always around them. What happens is that Situ said that there is a vintage car in Kumar's custody, and this is his dream that one day he will really like this kind of cars. So Sketch takes this into his hand, and he plays some mind games, and you could see it, and whatever happens is while Situ celebrates, Sketch loses his friends one by one. Why they lose it, what happens, it's up to you to decide what you really like. The movie is very good, and it's good action movie, but the actress, how he is trying to impress doesn't suits very well also, and the way he was trying to protect her, he also earns her trust also, his trust also. So that's how I didn't like this kind of especially the scenes, because she has been edited in the whole movie, and you could only see that she is just giving a mere cameo role to just be being placed in the movie so that they could say that there is a heroine. Overall, the main protagonist, his role is very good. The plot is always jumping from one to another, another to another. At the first half, you could see they are building the narrative and the background, and right before the mid interval, come up with another crisp or turn, so that the people could glue to the screen, and then later you will find out what are the things that are happening around in that garage and in his life. You could always also enjoy it, but at the end of the movie, the message is very strong and very good, and it's all about, you really need to watch for. And I hope you really like this, so kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. If you have any other movie that you really wanted to watch or suggest, because I really feel like there are plenty of movies from different cultures or communities or regional cinemas that really need to be watched, so you can learn. Just imagine that they make very longer movies, but at least their stories are very good. And I hope you will really like this, so kindly like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for bearing me. Bye bye.